The Southeastern Zone Mawsynram block, under the leadership of its General Secretary KYRMEN SHANGDIAR, had visited HATMAWDON in Mawsynram to verify complaints made by residents on the incursion of Bangladeshis into Meghalaya. During their visit to the area, the organization, accompanied by members of the Darbar Shillong of HATMAWDON Rinku, were told about illegal trading that has been going on for a very long time. Reacting to the same, the organization urged upon the MDA government to upgrade the HATMAWDON Rinku checkpoint into a police outpost and to strengthen border security in the area so as to ensure safety and security of residents who have been under threat from Bangladeshi individuals who have been looting their wealth and destroying the area in a number of ways. With the proposed reopening of the border hut in the area, the Southeastern Zone Mawsynram Block organization demanded the deployment of more security personnel to ensure peace and security to the public.
Sudah patu hai. Sudah Itu kan jahang ada don kun sama. Don kun don pakai tempe perkat besar. Ani kita ni nak kem desa, bisa kem tu.
Kem biasa.
Oh, untuk petakat tu desa na.
Petakat kem biasa foto.
Oh. Dia ngade nak dun aku bajar wan sini, untuk sejar temu sar. Temu tip teh. Ani ndate orang kan nukong dengan lek tang lek on sram. Begitu dekat penperpat yang ombat lek bu Shillong. Dong lek bu Shillong teh nga musam ro adum kan. Musam ro adum kan. Adin dia lakiu. Tato ya pe mun de poi musam. Lakiu desa sipang pat ngim lek su. Sate ingin lek salah. Yang dah sa. Ngilek salah. Dan lek salah teh nga temlo su. Tinggi lagi bro.
Inang keren kasih dah ya bang lah.
Keren taruh. Tak marwai keren. Itu gimana keren.
Mentakas ngiwan hang ne po HATMAWDON nakabanta banya mir jingmut banya keren. Bat ki rang ba snong ki menteri ki sardar karru bat ki molor nong. Nilai banya keren banya thir bat kabakut kajing thir jungi kadai ba kasami kum kini kijing jia lane ki Bangladeshi salak ban rong hapo jong kane ka ri ke jongi deling ba ki don kini ki dalar lane kini ki nong penyat ya kini ki Bangladeshi ban penrung sepo ka ne ka ri ke jongi tenamar kata ngi kum kaseng ngi ham ban manajur bat mahamjur kum kini ki jajbriu ban ladangi lab ban ladangi siam yakum kini ki jajbriu nang ne sakmat kaseng hap siam ya kana ka bor ka bating yakum kini ki jajbriu